And welcome to our one-off series, occasional motorcycle series, and this is a one-off bike. It's an Australian built Atomic, not being confused with any other Atomics. It has a Burrell motor or a Harley Davidson in it, and most of it is all handcrafted, as you can see there. Gigantic front wheel on it, lovely finished stainless steel tank, the seat and the back of it. Nitrous on it. So basically it's just hand built. So that's the Atomic, the only one of its type in the world. It's on display at the Motor Museum at Western Australia. You know of any other one-off type bikes? Tell us about them in comments. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So this is the Atomic motorcycle, and that's about all we know about it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel.